Well, here we are in the center of Bordeaux. This is the main thoroughfare. This is the Rue de Victor Hugo. You remember him from The Hunchback of Notre Dame. But this is nothing like Paris. This is much friendlier and also has all the charm of Paris. The food's fabulous, the wine. Bordeaux, known for its regions of wine, the fabulous reds, the whites, the food, restaurants, and really just the atmosphere. It is a great stop here in France. You'd be silly to miss it. Bordeaux in France.